So the cookies are the client side, means they saved in your browser. But there is also one more thing, and that's called a session. Session is a server side cookie. You can think of session as a cookie because it's do quite the same thing on your server side, not on your browser. Sessions are very powerful as compared to cookie. They are much faster than our cookie. Moreover, the hacker can get access to your cookie by hacking your browser and your computer. But the hacker won't be able to hack your session. And session is like when you browse your website, the session will going to start and the session will end instantly when you close your browser window. So you can define the life of a cookie. You can give it a life of month, year, day, or maybe a week. But a session will expire right after when you close your browser window. So sessions are very powerful, fast, and it's only for your server side, not for your client side. Now, how can you create your session? Well, you won't, but I'm gonna show you how session are created in PHP. So I have this file of simple.php and I'm gonna save this file as session.php. So same like cookies, I told you that you have to add your cookie from line 1 means in your header. So similarly for sessions, you have to add your session from the first line. You have to add the PHP code at the beginning. For starting any session, you can do that by simply calling session start function, and you can create a session for different kind of thing. You can create it for name, you can create it for email, you can create it for age, and if I create a session for the name, I can do that by using a super global variable of session. And same thing here, I have to pass the name for our session and I'm gonna call it for name, and I'm gonna give it name to be Jazib Akram, and I can also equal this session to any variable I want. I can also echo my session information as well, same like cookie. Saving this one out, back to my browser, I have this file of session.php. You can see my name Jazib Akram. You can also create multiple session for different type of variable. So I can also create a session for my age as well. Saving this one out, refreshing the page. Now you can see Jazib Akram name for our session, 24-hour session of age. And again I want to say, you must put all of this thing before your HTML to avoid the errors, because you want your code to run first, then you want a user to see your HTML page. So this is how a session work in PHP.